All right, up for sale we have a 2018 Kawasaki Mule SX 4x4 SE. Retail price of this machine is $82.99. As you can see, we have added for $82.99 a hard top, and we've also installed a 2,500 pound winch along with the plate and a roller fair lead on this machine. Take a look, we'll take a quick walk around. This does have high and low range, differential lock, and in and out full wheel drive. Has a dump bed on it, tailgate folds down. The dump bed is manual. This machine comes with a hitch. Great little machine. Again, this is a 2018 Mule SX 4x4 SE. This machine is $82.99, and we're throwing in the winch plate, and the hardtop. This also has a 3-year warranty. The hardtop winch value is about $700. Check us out on KennedyCycles.com. Thanks.